All right, so welcome back to Trackside for continued coverage of the ISSA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Champs. We have celebrity in the house.
I doubt that.
Agent and manager to the Stars, Henry ROWE, has joined us on the set here at ISSA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Champs. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
First question off the bat, what brings you to Champs 2026?
I've been coming to Champs since they combined girls and boys. My first year at Auburn, 1999. I came to my first Champs. I was invited by Lenny Smith, and I've always come.
And I suspect that each trip you make is for a special purpose.
I got a lot of friends in Jamaica.
You're also agent to a number of stars, and it has been going on for a number of years, a number of Jamaicans particularly. Jamaicans may not know or remember some of them. Can you run a quick list of some of the Jamaicans that you have managed or have been an agent for?
Well, managing coach, Karen Stewart was probably my biggest success as a Jamaican. Alva Goldburn, Sanjay Ayer, Murray Smith, Destiny Bloomfield, just to name a few. And then management, I would say Nikisha Price, Jaden Hibbert, Wayne Pinnock. I think that's it.
You just interesting names.
Oh, here we go.
They waved the Jamaican flag for a number of years, but they're in the process of moving on to another country. You still remain agent for them, I suspect.
Yes, I am. They haven't fired me yet.
They haven't fired you yet. That's good. That's good. I hope they don't. In terms of other recruitment that you may be seeking, do you come to a championships like this and try to get them at this age, or do you wait until they turn professional?
Well, if in the perfect world, I wouldn't. But it's become so competitive, so you have to throw your name in the hat very early, and then you wait the process out.
Okay. In terms of what you would be looking for ideally, you listed a wide range of athletes, from sprinters to jumpers and so on. What are you in the market for, if you are in the market for an athlete now?
Well, you look at the sport and you see where the void is in certain events. Obviously, the women's 400 is not one of those, with Sydney and the Dominican Republic running 47, so that's really a tough event to recruit in the next couple of years. But you always look for talent. Okay. I think you start there and you really look for...
I'm going to hold you for a second because we're going to throw back upstairs for this.